So, it's a bit ironic since I'm not the one to typically look at analytics, but over the past year, it's been a great period of growth and progress for me over on my Instagram account, making short form content. And thanks to you guys, I've been able to reach an insane amount of people. So today, I'm gonna show you one of the many ways I was able to make this possible. Now, the point of this video is not to focus on the numbers, but it is hopefully to get you guys to think more creatively about your content. Looking at what other creators are doing is a great way to source inspiration for your own content, and in fact, that's exactly what I did. Willis and I noticed a huge overflow of POV street videos on YouTube. However, I also noticed that no one else was doing it on any other platforms. What do you think about street POVs?
I think they're cool. You have to be able to like see different photography styles around the world, different locations. It's like a try before you buy. You get to see like different lenses and it's all around like a bit of fun, you know?
Yeah.
See different things.
No, I agree. Cool. So I set out a goal to replicate this long form format, except adapt it to the short form style. And with the power of my 2 brain cells, I came up with a genius solution. Hold on. Left arm this one, right arm that one.
Yeah. How do you do it again?
No, but on a serious note, it actually creates a really nice vertical 9:16 format for all your short form content.
Alright. Enough chit chat, let's go take some cool photos.
Alright, let's do it. Let me just say real quick, these t-shirts are the most comfortable t-shirts you'll ever wear. I think they're called the U-Airism t-shirts from Uniqlo. Actually, a side note from that, if you wear dark t-shirts, whether they're from Uniqlo or not, they will help with the POV street photography because it will blend in with the GoPro chest mount straps, which are black, so it'll just be more subtle when you're taking the photos. With that said, I think it was a successful shoot, and here are the results. Not bad. From my experience, photographing things that intrigue you, keeping the clips short and the photos even shorter, trending music or fast-paced music on top of that is probably the best way to approach these sort of short-form POVs. So this is what the timeline sort of looks like when I'm editing these POVs in Premiere, just so you can get a gist of the overall structure, and so what I'm talking about makes a little bit more sense. I'd actually be happy to see you guys try this out, so if you want to tag me on your reel on Instagram, I'd be more than happy to have a look at it. However, I think the main takeaway from this as a creative is to think outside the box. That doesn't mean you have to reinvent the wheel, but using inspiration from others and putting your own twist on things perhaps can lead to some pretty cool stuff. Along with that, I do believe that crediting those that may have inspired your work is very important, so make sure you do that. But other than that, I don't really have much else to say. I hope you learned something, and yeah, enjoy.
Enough chit chat, let's go take some cool form